Welcome to this RMS video where we're going to show you how to create your own personalized dashboard. So first of all, we click on the tab dashboard. The dashboard will open up. So each dashboard is individualized for each different user. Here, as the user James is logged on, the dashboard will pop up. The same dashboard for James will pop up every time that James logs into the system. If Frank logs into the system, it'll show Frank his own personalized dashboards as well. So the dashboard one, I can simply add a widget, and I can add either a measuring point value, a measuring point chart, or an event table. For the sake of this video, I will add a measurement point value. It asks me in which group is the value. It is in Europe, and I select the relative humidity level. I click on OK. Then I will add another widget, which is the chart. I will take the humidity chart as well and click on OK. So here now I have two widgets that are added to my dashboard, and I can simply click and drag and change the sizes of these different widgets. I can pull them around and set them up wherever I want. This offers you many possibilities in the system itself. You can use these on a simple display to show results in one room. You can use these for your information, to simply have the critical points on display at all time. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.